Yo, what up everyone? Welcome back to my YouTube channel and all the other channels. Make sure you guys subscribe and follow. Go to the about section for all the links. This unboxing is going to be on like 3 items. This one here is my tablet. It is the iPad mini 6th generation. This one is $650. I got it through T-Mobile. They had this deal where I get $230 worth of credit. So they're going to put it on each bill cycle and shit. So minus $230 for this. So 650 minus 230, you do the math. Here's in this bag is a screen protector and also a Padfolio cover for the tablet. So let's get to unboxing the actual no, let's unbox this first and then or unbag it first. Shout out to my nephew, the cameraman. Alright, so this is the iPad mini 6 case with pen holder. This is by Antbox. I'll put the link in the description below. I don't remember the prices of anything except the tablet. It's off to the side. The glass protector. And then it says the screen protector is case friendly, so. Alright, tempered glass screen protector. This one is by Ailun, A-I-L-U-N. Put that off to the side. Alright, let's unbox my tablet. Again, I'll put the link in the description below. Not the T-Mobile one, but I'll put Amazon's iPad mini 6th generation if you guys want to purchase it through there. So brand new. I got the purple version. This is a 64 gigabyte Wi-Fi and cellular version. So opted out for the cheaper one. I don't think I'll be using more than 64 gigs. I already have an iPhone. I already have a gaming PC, as you can see right here. And I have a gaming laptop, so I don't need that much storage. Plus, I could always get external storage, so just in case. Or I could give this to one of my nieces and nephews and then upgrade whenever I want. I'm planning to get the MacBook Pro eventually, so alright. There's nothing else in the box. Throw that away. Alright, let's do the unboxing. Make sure you get everything, Juju, cameraman. Alright?
Oh, it's a pretty small box.
Yeah, but yeah, you know what I mean. Alright, so I'm gonna open it like that. Alright, front side, back side, side, iPad mini. Alright. Ah! That did not just happen.
Brand new iPad and already dropped it.
Yeah, good thing it's still in the box. Why won't it open? Ah. There we go. Alright, here's the tablet right here. Booklet designed by Apple, California. This is Type-C to Type-C cable with another, let's see, 20-watt charger. Yeah, this is a 20-watt charger. Let's put this off to the side. There's nothing else in here. Let's put this off to the side. Let's see what kind of paperwork we have for this. iPad mini, warranty, get started guide. Nothing else in here. Apple logo. I don't want no stickers. And that, yeah, that's pretty much it. Get started guide. There's like a SIM tool removal thing. Alright. So I also ordered the Apple Pen 2nd generation. This one works with the 2nd generation Apple Pencil. And that arrives tomorrow. I also got it through Amazon. It was a discount. It's $129 originally through Apple's website. It's $115 right now as of this date. Well, guess what arrived while I was taking this video mid-video? So here is the Apple Pen. So, Apple Pencil that I was talking about. This is 2nd gen that works with my iPad mini 6th generation. Let's open this up. And because I'm just clipping this additional video onto the whole video. I am recording this one-handed. My cameraman is busy playing Helldivers on the laptop computer outside. Alright, so let's see, how am I gonna open this? Is this even the official one or is it not? What does it say? For iPad, Apple Pencil 2nd generation, magnetic connector. What in the flying fudge? Oh, okay. So open it up like this. Alright. Yeah, if you hear anything in the background, that's a bunch of Helldivers in it right now. Designed by Apple in California. As a matter of fact, I'm probably gonna get back online after after I finish recording. Alright, this is the Apple Pencil. I've never used an Apple Pencil before, and I'm starting off with the 2nd generation. I think the one after this one that Apple created was the Type-C one. This one doesn't seem to have any sort of connection. So yeah, it charges magnetically, which I find that probably better than the Type-C connector, right? It also gives like another port or another, like if you spill liquid on it, it would get in the Type-C connector. That's just opening it up for disaster, right? Am I right? Or does it come with like a little cap, like a waterproof, watertight cap? Feels good. All right. Sweet, this can be perfect with my iPad. Now let's see the paperwork that this thing comes with. Like every electronic device comes with like warranty, get started, instructions, nothing else in there. Get started. It's always this one. To get started, how to get started with it, how to connect it. We're talking about a dog right now, not a person. Alright, double tap to change modes. Replace the tip. Attaches magnetically to bear, charge, and store. That's all it says. Alright. What is this? 1 year Apple warranty, manufacturer warranty. What is this? Safety and handling. Alright, that's pretty much it. And let's continue with. Alright, purple tablet. Matches with my purple phone that is being used to record this video, so I can't show you. So it looks kind of bluish right here, but it's purple. Alright. Super thin. You guys can look on YouTube for other YouTubers. Type-C port right there. And see their reviews on this tablet. I'm mostly going to be using this for school. Alright, there we go. It's pretty... Let me see. It's the size of a book. Here's a book. This is the next book that I'm trying to read. So Never Split the Difference, Negotiating As If Your Life Depending on It by Chris Voss, whatever. This book is pretty much the same size almost as the tablet, give or take a few centimeters or millimeters actually. So yeah, it's like thinner than a book too. So I'm mostly gonna be using this after I finish reading all my hard copy books, and then I'm gonna be downloading books and stuff and doing all my college schoolwork on here. And then with the Apple Pencil, I'm gonna be writing notes in class and stuff. I can't do that with my phone. It's smaller. It's not as good to read stuff on. Anyways, the glass protector so you guys can see it. There's tape everywhere. Alright, so it comes with two and all the cleaning stuff on it. I'll put it on later. And I'm also gonna show my tablet with this stuff on it on another video tomorrow. I ordered a matching sort of bougie freaking computer bag. It's like brown leather, and this is also brown. I'll show you guys this right now, but let's see. It's all like a kind of dark brown leather color, so it's all gonna match. As soon as I get that computer bag, on that video I'll definitely show you guys everything put together, and that's what I'm gonna start taking to school. It's kind of cumbersome taking my Alienware 17 R5. I forgot the name of my laptop, but it's an Alienware 17 inches. It's pretty heavy. It's like 10 pounds just the laptop alone. And this is gonna be easier just to carry around in a book bag. And I also had a pad folio with the pad so I could write down. I also gonna make another video on, you know, those fancy fountain pens that you see like in old movies, like in Napoleon or something. I bought me one of those pens. It's fancy too. It's brass or gold brass in color, so it's all gonna match basically. It's all gonna be bougie as hell, but inexpensive. So again, look at all the links in the description below for this video and any future videos. All right, this is to clean the tablet. A bunch of poison, styrofoam. Put the tablet in there. So this little spot right here is for the pen, or the pencil, I mean, the Apple Pencil. So when you close it, you can see the Apple Pencil through here, and this thing seals it so that it doesn't fall. There's other ones where there's just a loop and you just stick the pencil through, but I got a feeling it'll just fall it'll just fall out. This protects the pen because it's inside the case, and that's why I got this. Also, because this pen has like little slits right here, so you can put it at different angles if you want to use the pen or watch movies and stuff. Different angles, you could play with it and then write on the tablet. Anyways, here's that pad folio case for the tablet. Tempered glass comes with 2, and the tablet itself. So let me put it in there so you guys can see kind of how it's gonna look like. All right, there you guys go. And then the pen goes in there. You close it up. Look, all bougie and shit. So I'm gonna put it inside my somewhat same color dark brown book. It's a leather briefcase bag, whatever, and it's all basically gonna match. So yeah, that's all I have for you guys for my video. Again, all the prices. Look into the links below. Apologize for this quick and unprofessional video, but thanks for watching. Give me them likes, them dislikes, comments down below, and I'll see you guys next time.